Post-construction termite treatments remain effective only if landscaping does not reintroduce wood to soil contact or persistent moisture near the foundation. After treatment, create a continuous mulch-free buffer at least 12 inches wide around the foundation and maintain it by raking back any drifting soil or mulch monthly. Plant shrubs and hedges at least 12 inches from the foundation and use raised beds or heavy-gauge landscape fabric under plantings that must be closer to prevent roots and organic matter from reaching treated soil. Install a 3 to 4 inch layer of clean gravel or crushed rock directly adjacent to the foundation to improve drainage and eliminate places for termites to bridge the treated zone. Remove any branches, vines, or roots that touch the structure and prune trees so limbs remain at least 6 feet from the roofline to prevent ease of access and moisture transfer. Store firewood, lumber, and untreated scrap materials at least 20 feet from the building and elevate them on concrete, metal, or pressure-treated supports to avoid ground contact. Where irrigation is needed, direct drip lines and downspouts away from the foundation. Set timers to avoid overwatering, and slope soil so water moves away from the house to keep the treatment zone dry. Homeowners often forget that organic mulches decompose and create new food sources, so if mulch touches the foundation, move it away and replace with inorganic rock or a wider mulch-free band. People also plant too close to foundations for convenience, which lets roots and plant debris bridge the treatment. The fix is to transplant or build raised planters with a clean barrier beneath. Lastly, irrigation and roof runoff can saturate treated soil, reducing chemical persistence and allowing termites to bypass the zone. Correct this by rerouting downspouts, installing splash blocks, and switching to targeted drip irrigation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like termite-resistant landscaping and post-treatment maintenance. And we offer a discussion community where members share local tips and photos of effective installations. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them engage directly with interested homeowners.